What's up, boys? You join me back at another video. In this video I'm obviously doing a cheeky little POV drive. I've finally got a head mount for my iPhone which I'm recording. I hope the quality's alright, I hope the angle's okay. I tried it before and I was a little bit too tall, so I've got the chair all the way down and I've pointed the camera as low down as I possibly can, so I'm just hoping it's alright. But if you think it's shite, just let me know in the comments. But yeah, hopefully you enjoy it. I'll talk every now and again, but I'll probably just let you listen to the car mainly because a lot of people want to know what the exhaust sounds like properly, so yeah, I'll let you have a good feel of what that sounds like. Shit at driving on this road, like they're over your side more than they are on their side. Right, fucking traction on there as well. I was wondering why it was holding back a little bit. Yeah, turned it off now. It should be a bit better. I just hope no one sees me with this on my head because I look like an idiot. I'm just glad I'm doing it while it's dark. I wish my windows were still tinted, but unfortunately they're not no more. Gotta love doing it. But yeah, I recently got, I should have done a video on this, but I recently got the car retuned. The previous tune I had on, they estimated, I never got it dynoed because during lockdown they weren't doing dynos, so they estimated around 280 to 285. But I got it dynoed the other month and it was 228 horsepower and 387 newton meters. So I was gutted about that really. So it's been tuned again and it's still only 254 horsepower, but it is 429.5 newton meters now. So the torque's really nice, but they said if I get a D-cat, I'd see a comfortable 300, but then I'll just fly. That had to be done. That had to be done. But yeah, carrying on. I got it retuned again by a company called Performance Centre in Sunderland, and I'm really happy with the map. But it only produces 253.4 horsepower and 429.5 newton meters of torque. So I'm happy with the torque, but I'd have liked a bit more horsepower, I'm not going to lie. And they said if I get a D-Cat, I'd say comfortably over 300 horsepower with the other modifications I've got, like the clutch and the intercooler and the induction and the spark plugs. They said I'd definitely say over 300 horsepower with the D-Cat, which I should really stage 2 anyway. But DaveTech said with the current mods I've got now and with my standard downpipe, that I should see 300 horsepower anyway. So I don't know whether to take a trip to them like in a few months and get them to hopefully get it to 300 horsepower, or just D-Cat it. But like I just don't know whether I can be asked to like have to worry about my MOT, have to worry about putting like a muffler back on, like my back box or my resonator. Like I don't know whether I can be bothered to actually put them back on. So I'll see what the score is, and then yeah, I don't know whether to just go stage 1 plus basically with DaveTech. But we'll see in the future. You let me know what I should do, and like give me a bit of advice, and I'll see what the score is close at the time. But yeah, cheers everyone for watching. I appreciate it. I hope it was all had a good Christmas and a good New Year. I hope all yous are in good health, and I hope 2022 treats you better than 2021. So yeah, thanks for watching, and let me know if you want me to do one in the daylight, as looking back at it in the dark, like it is a bit hard to see sometimes. You can see alright when I'm driving on like the roads where they're lit up, but on like the country lanes and that, it is hard to see. So you just let me know what the score is. Let me know if you want me to do one around town or want me to do one in the daylight basically. Yeah, just drop it in the comments. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.